morning, YouTube. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the reflection question and the advent calendar, but first I wanted to say I slept in. I set my alarm for 5. I woke up at like 3 something and then 4 something, but I went back to sleep. I did not get up and edit. I haven't edited at all this morning. I just got up at my regular time, mostly did my regular routine. I almost didn't get to take a shower because our water had been shut off overnight starting about 10 o'clock. They sent an email that said it was going to be 10 p.m. till 3 a.m., but I got up at 5 and it was still off. And it was because of some leak and they were doing emergency repairs somewhere on the complex. I don't know. But it's back on now, so I got to take a shower. I'm sure my students will be glad about that. The reflection question for today is, what was your favorite compliment that you received in 2018? And thinking about that, it's funny, I actually got a couple of comments from yesterday's video and maybe the day before where people said this thing. I've heard it from a few people and it's something I appreciate, and it's sort of two things. One is that they enjoy my channel and my content. They enjoy that my channel is drama-free, that I'm not like a reality show, and I know there are some other YouTubers that aren't so drama-free. A lot of you seem to appreciate that my channel is the way my channel is, calm and informative and all that. And then another thing that goes along with that is people compliment my voice and say that it's soothing and calming, and they turn on my videos to relax. Some people have even said it's like, what is that, SMR? What is that called? Like a relaxing thing. I forget what that's called. I don't know much about it. I appreciate those comments because I worry that my channel gets boring. I'm not traveling all the time. I'm not buying a ton of really expensive handbags all the time. So I wonder how much people want to watch. And apparently I have some people who want to watch. That's really nice. I'm surprised Vlogmas is going so well and so many people seem interested in it, because I don't think of my life as being very interesting. I'm glad so many of you enjoy seeing the dogs so much, because so do I. I'd rather film them than anything else, I think. They need their own channels, but they're gonna have to hire somebody to do that. I also worry that my voice can be kind of dry and monotone because I don't have one of those personalities where I'm super bubbly and excited and squealing and things. So I'm glad that there are people who appreciate that and don't find me boring. That's nice. So that's the reflection question. Let's get to the advent calendar. Since today is Vlogmas 14, we're on door number 13. And where is that? Oh, I found it yesterday. Oh, I thought that was it. Thank goodness it's not, because that one's already open. Okay, this is door 13, and it is itty bitty, tiny, tiny. I think it's the smallest door yet. Oh my, what is this? Look at that. Hold on, you know what? I'm gonna get my glasses. Before I even take it out, I'm putting my glasses on. All right. It's a little difficult to get out of here. They've really got it stuck in there. I need like a crowbar. Oh, it's thick, that's why. Hold on. Ah, there. My goodness. I thought it was a thin little thing, but it's a block. Look at that. Okay, what is this? Where's the English version? Effervescent Revitalization Sugar Cube for bath with essential oils. Interesting. That one I think I will keep and use. So a little sugar cube thing. So let me ask you guys this. Do I throw this in the bath and it dissolves like a bath bomb? Or are you supposed to use it and scrub yourself with it? What do I do? Let me know, because I have no idea. All right, you're going over here, little sugar cube, and you can go next to my soaps. It's quite a loot so far. I'm really enjoying this. Uh-oh, the little bottle of Aveda and the hand relief fell down. Bye, Vincent. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye. I'm not gonna scratch your head right now. Well, I guess I could. I guess I could scratch your head. I guess I could do that if you let me. If you let me. Bye. I love you. Look who's, oh dear. She just falls over every time you look at her. What a goofball. I was trying to say goodbye. I wasn't really planning on petting you, Roxy. But I guess I have to when you throw yourself over like that. You look so pitiful. You look so pitiful. Where's Baron? Oh, she's like, it doesn't matter, I'm here. I want to say bye to your brother too, Roxy. Here he comes. Oh, there he is. There's Baron. Roxy, let me pet your brother. Baron! Baron! Watching some Christina Brawley Christmas vlogging. It's her VLOGMAS, but she calls it Christmas with a K. During my lunch break, and look what I got. A student just brought this in the last class. Another gift. And I'm showing it to you now instead of at home because I want to open it. I got a Starbucks mug, and this is a big mug, which I actually did need a bigger mug. And then there's some stuff inside, so let's open it. I see something that I want right now, which is why I'm gonna open it. All right, let's open this baby up. There's an instant vanilla latte, a sea salt caramel hot cocoa mix. Yum, that sounds delicious. A tea bag, vanilla bean macaron. That sounds good. And there's something else in here. This is what I was after. Ooh, cookies. Actually, they're not cookies, they're crackers dipped in either a chocolate or a yogurt with little sprinkles. Well, that's cool. Those look delicious. I'll also show you around my room a little bit. I'm not gonna have a very interesting evening. I'm just gonna go home and edit since I didn't get to do it this morning. But I wanted to show you, I've got this photo in here that I took a few years ago of Sebastian and Baron when we were having a beach day. And then I have this cool doggy who I got at like TJ Maxx, I think. And then this doggy was a gift from one of my students. She was in photography and yearbook with me. And she gave me that and a photograph that she did. I also have this doggy mug in here. And I have this doggy who looks out over the classroom, keeps watch, and also assists as a prop in some photographs. No stick figures allowed, by the way. And I have my All Texas Dachshund Rescue calendar. I took all the photos, and this is EXO, who kind of looks like Roxy, doesn't he? Look at that. There's no one home. Where are my dogs to greet me? What's happening? Their leashes are here. I just knocked my handbag all over the ground. My battery charger. Nothing. No dogs. I feel so unloved. Hi, Vincent Bird. Hi. Yes, I'll scratch your head. Do you think the dogs are in the boyfriend's room over here?
Hello.
There they are. I found them.
They did.
No one greeted me at the door. I was so lonely and sad. Oh, fine. Just leave. Don't say hi to me. Hello. Hello. My hand is being eaten alive. I just got home. I am very tired, even though I woke up at 5. I am just as tired as if I'd gotten up at 3:30. I'm trying to plug in Christmas lights, get those turned on. Someone unplugged them for some reason. Let's see. Why are they not working? Huh, are they broken? Let's see if these work. Come down here, press the button. Hold on, get where you can see. Press the button. Those work at least. All right, so I am tired. I went after work and returned a robe that I bought at Tuesday morning yesterday. I didn't like the way it fit. It was not made for women with hips. It was more of a man's figure, and it was folded up in the box when I bought it, so I couldn't tell what it really looked like. I was going to do some grocery shopping, but what I'd really like to do is just come home and crawl into bed and go to sleep. but I have to edit the video from yesterday since I didn't get up early and do it this morning, and I do need to eat something too. So I'm gonna do those two things, and then I'm gonna curl up and go to sleep. Hello, Roxy. Hey, bird. Did y'all hear that? Vincent said, hey, bird. Pardon? Hi, Baron. Hi, Baron. Be careful, Roxy. You're not supposed to be jumping. That's a bad Roxy. No jumping. No jumping at post-surgery, Roxy. You're supposed to be on the floor. Stay on the floor, Roxy. This is one of the big reasons we moved to this apartment and why we love it so much. We have these big windows. We get to see the sunset every night. Beautiful. Hey guys, I just finished editing my video. I don't know what time it is. I think it's almost 7, so it's still pretty early. And after that renders, I'll be able to get it up, upload it on YouTube, and then I can go to sleep. Before I do that, I wanted to show you another gift I got today from a student. She handed this to me and said it's a traditional Chinese scarf. So I love scarves. I'm excited to see it. I also wanted to say before I open that, this ratty old yellowed robe that I have on, I've had this thing, I got it at Macy's. It's Charter Club, which is one of the Macy's brands. And I'm trying to find something like this. I have literally been looking for years. And in yesterday's video, I said, hi Roxy. I said that I found that Lennox one I showed you at Tuesday morning. Well, I took that back today, and now I'm on the robe hunt again. In the meantime, I continue to wear this ratty old robe. I mean, look, it is literally falling apart. It's got lots of holes in it. I've probably had it close to 10 years. But it's so comfortable. It's 100% cotton, and then it has this cotton, it's terry cloth inside, but then it has the smooth cotton outside, and that's really nice. So Roxy's gonna help me open this scarf. If any of y'all know where to get a robe like that, please let me know. I'm willing to pay up for it, because I mean, this one was 100 something. That Lennox one was only 40. I wish it had fit. It was comfortable otherwise. All right, I'm opening the scarf, Roxy. Here, take it with your teeth and pull it out. Good job, Roxy. Good job, you're such a good girl. All right, oh, this is really bright colors. That's pretty. Here, I'm gonna take it out of the plastic that's protecting it. It says it's 100% silk. I'm trying to find the end of the plastic. Here it is. It's nice and soft. So look at this. Oh, it's a square. I thought it was oblong. Here you go. That's pretty. It's got a big sun and little people around the sun. How nice. I love I'm really surprised by the design. I had it in my head that it was either going to be like a solid or some kind of generic pattern, or that it would be like lotus flowers or something, but I guess that's pretty stereotypical of me. I was definitely not expecting something like this. It's a really contemporary design with these bright colors, and it's like a drawing. It's very artistic. That's lovely. Thank you, student who I can't mention for privacy reasons. I told her I would open it on camera tonight. What was that? You heard that horn? Somebody's honking? Somebody's angry, driving angry? We'll have road ragers out there, Roxy. Road ragers. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. I hope y'all can see it. I can't see what you can see. Look, I just opened this up and looked at it closer myself. And look, there's a kitty and a doggy. So cute. What are you guys jumping around about? Could it be this? Anybody ready for dinner? Anybody? No? Roxy? Darren? Now they're happy. Okay, I haven't opened this since I put this on there the other day, the champagne sealer. So let's listen. See how it pops out like a cork? It's fantastic. Back on it goes.